Hi, my name is Richard. I'm a laboratory technician here at Duracan, and I help with the day-to-day testing and setting up all the new instruments. Duracan is like no other lab in the world because we have a highly cohesive team that wants to support each other. All input is valued, and we can implement changes to make sure we're effective, impartial, and provide extremely reliable results in as little as 2 hours. What motivated me to join Duracan was coming to a laboratory that was willing to make changes to improve the efficiency and output of our laboratory. I was happy to come in, have my input valued, and see those changes implemented readily. What I find most rewarding about my position here at Duracan is a trifecta of autonomy, respect, and mutual success. I feel we all have our strengths and we can lean into that. Those strengths are respected and we're allowed the space to implement them. We also have a strong sense of alignment between all of our colleagues here. We all want to support each other to see the greatest success throughout the entire team. The atmosphere here at Duracan is filled with a can-do attitude. We all work hard together to make sure we can achieve our goals, but we're not afraid to kick back and relax for an hour or two to celebrate the successes that we've had along the way. So here at Duracan, we've purchased some new equipment, namely an ICP-MS and a GC-MS, to expand our testing capabilities. I'm really excited to help get the ICP-MS up and running so we can test for heavy metals here in Manitoba. The opportunities for growth here at Duracan are limitless. I feel like the only limit for our growth is how much we desire to achieve. If you want to set out and take on a big project, that is available to you and highly encouraged. What I enjoy most about working with my current team is leaning into each of our individual strengths. We all come from different backgrounds and have an expertise of our own. There's a sense of openness and respect where we can openly learn about all aspects of our testing. At Duracan, we're an extremely focused and dedicated team, but we're not afraid to sit back and schedule a few hours to have some fun with our colleagues. For example, this past Easter, we scattered eggs around the office during the morning, and then the afternoon, we all came together and had an Easter egg hunt. There were prizes for who could find the most eggs, and we all celebrated at the end, hanging out in the break room. Duracan fosters innovation and creativity by taking the reins off and letting us explore different ways we can achieve our work. We're not so entrenched that change is impossible. If we come up with a novel idea, we can seriously sit down, look at it, and implement this idea and iterate on it until we achieve success. At Duracan, if we face any challenges, we can always lean into our colleagues, ask for their expertise, and come up with a solution together that we know will work for the business. A lot of emphasis is placed on the atmosphere here at Duracan, making sure that everyone feels supported and included. We don't care what your background is, we just want people who are dedicated and are looking to grow with the company. The management here at Duracan is very understanding. If you need additional supplies or training, you can have an open, honest discussion with them and make that happen. I see myself staying here at Duracan for a long time. I see a lot of growth potential, and I'd like to eventually become a manager here at Duracan. Each morning, I'm excited to get up and go to work. I know that I have my own projects which I can attend to however I see fit. I can tackle those projects, lean on supports, bring in additional help, and make sure they get done effectively to my standards. During my lunchtime, I enjoy spending some time at the arcade machines playing Drift Racer. I'm aiming for the high score. Every Friday we meet up, throw a popcorn party, and challenge each other to some games.